One of the most special things about listing with SG Associates is our photography, because we all know the very first showing that matters the most is the one that people are seeing online. With 98% of home buyers looking for properties online, we have to make sure that our photography is the best of the best and outshines any other listing that they could be considering. Scott Everts with SAE Photography has been working with us from the very beginning. We got Scott here today actually at one of our newest listings here in Lobo Canyon, and we really want to just give an insight onto what makes his style unique, find out a little bit about how he does what he does, and continues to be part of our success. Come on, let's go take a look. What's up, Scotty? Good to see you, brother. Hey, thanks for coming out. You've been one of the most instrumental parts of our success and our brand and our image and our clients' image of their homes. Tell us a little bit, just real quick, on your history. Like, how did you get started with this? How have you become so successful being on shows, Architectural Digest?
I've been a photographer since I was 11 years old. My background was nature and astrophotography. Probably about 12 years ago, a friend of mine, she'd gotten a real estate license, and she asked me if I would take some pictures of her listing. That's a thing. So ended up doing that, and then it just kind of snowballed from there.
What is unique about your style?
I think it's the editing style. Most people in the industry, they don't really take the time and do what we do as far as the marketing is concerned and the editing is concerned. There's a certain style that I edit with that has kind of set me apart. It's kind of a longer process, but it gives the images a lot more richness, a lot more depth.
Most people aren't aware that the first showing is not when they show up at the house. The first showing is when they see it online.
That's one of the reasons why I love working with SG, is because you guys, you spend the time and you guys really have a grasp on the marketing and the grasp on how important the images are. And for me as a photographer, it's indispensable. I love working with people like you guys because you care.
So I really appreciate you taking the time to come out with us and share your story.
It's no problem. This house is going to be amazing.
Yeah, this house is going to be sick.
As a matter of fact, we should shoot sunset.
Oh yeah. All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
So this guy pulls out some amazing sunset shots. But you can't plan these sunsets, right? So you got to get them while they appear. And Scott knows what's our rule. Anything for the shot. Well, I hope you enjoyed getting to know a little bit more about our photography process when you list with SG Associates, meeting Scott Everts with SAE Photography and our team, and we look forward to earning your business.